A warm welcome. Salam sejahtera. Sawadee Ka. Marhaban bikum. The ARA Group is said to be a major player in the business of transport infrastructure, utilities, buildings and installations that meet specific client requirements and attain standards of international quality. The company, which was formed in 1990, is today a force to be reckoned with. Its huge success is perhaps owed to its strategic move in incorporating various specialized subsidiaries to be consolidated and controlled under one single management. The group is managed and led by a carefully assembled team of highly experienced and calibered leaders. Hartasuma Sdn Bhd, a company within the group, is a PKK Class A Bumiputra company with ISO certification. It was incorporated on the 7th of June 1994 to spearhead the engineering, procurement, construction and project management activities of the ARA Group. Through the successful completion of numerous landmark projects, it has earned itself an exemplary status and reputation. Thriving on excellence, teamwork and specialized knowledge of diverse industry requirements, Hartasuma was awarded the Construction Industry Builders Award in 2002 for its work on the public amenities for the Putrajaya Boating Clubhouse, now known as Club Kasih Perdana. Its successful attainment of the ISO 2000 certification is clear testimony to its competence and commitment. The success of all projects undertaken by the ARA Group has resulted in phenomenal growth. To accommodate the pace of this rapid growth, ARA Rail's Technology Sdn Bhd was formed to focus and implement all projects relating to the rail industry to meet international standards and safety requirements. This was to be achieved through its strategic collaboration with internationally renowned railway companies such as Balfour Beatty, Integral Coach Factory of India, Bombardier, Queensland Railway, Ansaldo Transportations, Temo Insa and Toshiba, to name a few. With particular emphasis on research and innovation, ARA Rails is set to elevate the quality and standards of the railway industry to greater heights, leading towards innovative breakthroughs. In its vision to prevail as an industry leader in the rolling stock business, ARA Rails made history by making the first Made in Malaysia coach. The coach recorded an impressive ride index of 2.3 and 68 decibels while traveling at 120 kilometers per hour. ARA Rails became the first and only Malaysian company to have achieved such a historical feat in Malaysia. A true Malaysian achievement. This is testimony to the Malaysian government's campaign slogan of Malaysia Boleh. With more innovative breakthroughs high on its agenda, ARA Rails now offers a complete set of services such as engineering and manufacturing, designing, systems coordination, modular construction, assemblies, technical assistance, project management, consultancy and after-sales services that will continue to set new standards. Continuously striving towards innovation, it uses the concept of modular technology together with its team of expert engineers to transform every client's needs and ideas into detailed, tangible interpretations. ARA Rail's portfolio also include the refurbishment and modernization of used coaches, giving it a fresh, comfortable and royal finish fit for a king. Riding high on its growing reputation, the company is now set to capture the lucrative ASEAN market with the advent of the Trans-Asia Railway Network that promises an increase in rail passenger traffic with its current estimated population of 550 million. This expected increase in rail transportation will also undoubtedly bring about an increased need to furbish, refurbish and overhaul existing coaches, mainly from Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam and Cambodia, which presently have a combined fleet of over 7,000 passenger coaches. The group is currently in active discussions with various governments and operators to extend their highly reputed services. This will be the group's first step in becoming a major regional player in the railway industry. Hartasuma's landmark projects include the construction of a 4-story Shangri-La boutique hotel at Putrajaya, construction of a boating clubhouse at Precinct 8 Putrajaya, the upgrading, refurbishment and extension of the coal handling system for the Kapar power station, upgrading the sewage treatment plant at Taman Mas, Ipoh, Perak, and construction of sewage treatment plant at Port Dickson, the waste treatment plant at Manjong Power Station in Perak, the supply of fabricated steel for ash conveyors at Manjong Power Station, the construction of stable complex at Putrajaya, the transfer station of solid waste management Kuala Lumpur, project management consulting for the electrified double tracking works between Rawang and Ipoh, and the construction of roadwork utilities and landscape for Road P3 at Precinct 3 Putrajaya. Some of the projects undertaken and completed by RR Rail's Technology Sendirian Berhad are design, manufacture, delivery, testing and commissioning of 11 units of air-conditioned economy class coaches, AECs, for Ministry of Transport Malaysia. Design, manufacture, delivery, testing and commissioning of 30 units of air-sprung bogies for Ministry of Transport Malaysia. Refurbishment of 10 air-conditioned buffet coaches, ABCs, for Ministry of Transport Malaysia. Overhaul of passenger coaches and the overhaul of air conditioning for KTM coaches. Perhaps it comes as no surprise that the Minister of Transport, Datuk Seri Chan Kong Choi, gave thumbs up at the handover of coaches to KTMB. In October 2006, Hartasuma and its consortium partner Bombardier marked its milestone in the Malaysian transportation industry when it was awarded by the state-owned Syarikat Prasarana Negara Berhad to design, manufacture, test and commission an initial 88 state-of-the-art Advanced Rapid Transit ART Mark II cars, with the option for 52 additional cars to be used on the Kelana Jaya line in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. At 29 kilometers, the Kelana Jaya line is the longest fully automated driverless transit system in Asia. For this project, Hartasuma, being the local partner for the consortium, will assemble the state-of-the-art light rail vehicles at its facility in Malaysia. Deputy Prime Minister Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak, who witnessed the signing ceremony, said this is one of the major steps taken by the government of Malaysia to improve public transport in the Klang Valley. Clearly, it is evident that the RR Group will continue to set its mark in all its endeavours, promising nothing but an encounter with excellence.